You don't know how to apply ARC? Then this video is for you. I have made a complete step-by-step how to apply for ARC, how to do the payment until you're receiving your ARC. So watch this video completely, but do subscribe the channel because I'll make more informative video. So do watch the video completely. तो मेरे हाथ में अभी एक स्लिप है जो कि ओआईए खुद एक लिंक भेजती है आपको जहाँ से आप पे स्लिप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं जिसमें मुझे फी सभी जो डॉम सब कुछ इंक्लूडेड है वो सारी फी इसमें मेंशन की गई है और ये मैं पे करूँगी पहले पोस्ट ऑफिस में क्योंकि मुझे फिर प्रॉपर पे स्लिप मिल जाएगी या फिर आप फैमिली मार्ट केम पे करके उसका बिल लेके आप ओआई में सबमिट कर सकते हैं या फिर आप ईमेल भी कर सकते हैं। मैं ईमेल नहीं करती, मैं जाके सबमिट करूँगी और फिर वो लोग मुझे मेरा एनरोलमेंट लेटर देंगे और फिर जाके मैं अपना फर्दर एआरसी का प्रोसेस स्टार्ट करूँ। So now we are going to apply ARC. You can see there are some documents. You can read it. But I want to directly click on apply. So once we click the apply, there is a user interface. You can put your ID and passport. But before that, you should create an account. You should click on the create account. So I'm logging in now and I'm putting the email verification. So once I have logged in, I view this user interface. So you can see there is no application yet, and this is the the ARC portal. Now we are going to create the first time ARC. So I have uploaded my photo, and I need ARC for 1 year. So that's the detail. If you need for 4, you can 4. Now you have to upload your documents which are required. And here comes the application information. You have to enter the name, your date of birth, your gender, your passport, every valid thing. And the UI number is optional because you don't have it. If you don't have the mobile number, you can give your professor or somebody who you know, and name of the contact person if you have it. If you don't have, you can put your own data, that's no problem. So method of collection is the in-person and the location. So once you select the location, click on send. So my application is submitted. Now I'll check the case. So I'll enter the application number and I'll just inquire. Here I will see my application is done. I have received an email which state my progress is under review. In this email, they have approved my application and now I have to do the payment process. For that, I need to log in again. If you have any doubt in any step, just message me in Instagram, but do subscribe the channel. Once it's login, I'll go to the payment. So I need to pay. So I'll just click on all that option, check. So I checked everything. Okay, now I'll just check if there's the status. No successful payment. Okay. Now I will go to the pay option and see. So you have to check everything is okay or not, then confirm the payment. So here you have to notice that 2 to 3 working days will be done if you do the payment from convenience store. And if you do the payment in any card, then it's done. You are no issue. You can just pay it. So here you can see there are many payment options and we will go down. So these are also the same. If you're doing the payment through online, then there's no transaction fee. If you're doing through convenience store, they are transaction fees. So I'll just choose, I have the card, so I'll just pay through the credit card which I have. So here is the tab opens. Here I enter my credit card details and I do the payment. So it's done. Now it's loading. Okay, my payment is done. It shows that we can just download the receipt from download receipt from here. Now I will just enter the number and inquire. Okay, so it's done. I'll just download it. It's downloading. Okay, so you can see the payment has been confirmed. I think that's it. And I can also check the status. I'll just put the number which I have, then inquire. Okay, so everything has been completed and ARC is in process. In this email, you can see I've received my ARC confirmation. So I'll just receive after 3 working days.